Are you looking forward to invite friends on Talkie AI? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily invite your friends on Talkie AI. First thing first, move into your application Talkie AI. Once you are logged into your specific account, it will land you on the home page. Now move ahead to your profile at the bottom right corner. And in this section, you have to swipe all the way to the right. You will see wallet, click on it. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen. Now in this page at the bottom right corner you can see invite friends. Simply click on it. You will see the referral code, or you can click on share now as well. For the code, you can copy this code and send it to the people you want them to invite. Or you can directly send the link by clicking on share now. Tap on allow full access. Now you can share this code via your social medias. Simply select the social media and then send it to the people you want to invite. So this is simply how you can invite your friends on Talkie AI. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.